volcano. I used wood, aluminum window screen, and bondo, and the pipe thing is made out of PVC pipe, and the magma chamber is like a cap. The crater is clay, and the vent is the top of the PVC pipe. What else? Oh, it's a stratovolcano. That's it? Oh, and baking soda and vinegar is what's great to make it rinse. All this?
Do it.
Is that all of it?
Now pour all of that.
It will not fit.
Make it.
Boom.
Do you think it will go over?
Ready? Boom.
That's it red.
I keep pouring it in?
Yeah.
That's not cool.
It kind of is. You mix.
Okay.
You gotta stand back for the Cocomentos.
Yeah, I have an extra video in here.
Okay, Bethany, you ready?
Yeah. I did the Abu volcano. It's a shield volcano, and then I used cardboard to make it. I just pretty much labeled the base. So like the magma chamber would be down here, the part that's not open, and then conduit pipe, and then the vent you can't see, but it's up here, and then my crater is this giant face. And I'm using baking soda and vinegar and dish soap and water. I think I need water.
You gotta measure out.
What? I do have to measure out. What? So.
That's pretty cool. Yeah. That's pretty sweet.
Turn around. There's your audience right there. See him in the window?
But we have the sun in our
Oh, gosh.
Bacon, notice.
Hang on, are you going? Okay, go.
Our volcano
It's
is
a stratovolcano.
it's Mount Vesuvius.
For the magma chamber, we use a 2-liter bottle, and the pipe that we use.
It's a 20-ounce Diet Coke. We're going to make it explode with Coke and Mentos. And this is our cutaway diagram. Ready?
You explain it, I'll just make it explode.
Okay, go.
Go.
Alright. Its name is Mount Tambora. And what do we say next?
It's what type?
It is a stratovolcano, and we made it out of chicken wire, pair mache, paint, and we're gonna make it explode by Diet Pepsi and Mentos.
And then just talk about what you use for the different parts of your volcano. Like, what's the magma chamber?
Magma chamber is down.
Yeah, that's the pop.
Conduit pipe is through here, and then the vent is right here at the top.
Okay.
Open it.
And then set it down and I'll put it. And set down the chair.
Okay, we made ours out of paper mache and cardboard, and we have frosting. And then for our lava chamber, we did 2-liter Coke and a plastic tube for the vent, and
It's echoing.
a side vent right here.
What's the name of your volcano?
Nova Erupta in Alaska, and then it's a lava dome.
And what are you going to use to make it erupt?
Coke and Mentos.
Okay, are you ready?
Oh. Alright, just go. Put that back on. Wait. Just keep it like under the thing.
Jordan, can you move over to the side? There you go.
Oh yeah. Keep it, hold it like that.
You're not going to want to stand there, Dylan.
I'm not going to.
Okay.
Just holding the knife in there till he starts throwing it down the thing, and I'm pulling the knife out and going.
Okay.
Good, how?
Just go like this. Let me see him.
You do it.
Here, just
Oh no.
shove it in. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna block him. Dude, just here. I'm not gonna throw the package in him up. Yeah, dude, just throw it in there.
Hey, Ike, do you think it would work if you threw a package in there?
No.
Grab that, Connor.
Get as many as you can.
I don't know where that went. It's white.
It's right there.
Why are you? Hey, no, I picked up another one.
Okay, let's go.
Here, Connor, we'll just use that many. How many I got? I got it.
Okay.
I'll do it. Ready? Hold that. Move. Well, that worked so well. That didn't work so well. Oh well.
If it's good enough.
Can you end it?
Dude, the knife.